I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change the time on your iPhone or iPad lock screen to be displayed in liquid glass. And to be clear, this option will only be available if you're using iOS 26 or newer on your Apple device. Step 1. Navigate to the lock screen on your iPhone or iPad. Press and hold a finger against this screen until options to edit your lock screen are displayed. Step 2. Tap Customize. Options for customizing your iPhone or iPad lock screen are shown. Step 3. Tap the current time. A font and color menu opens where you can adjust options for the clock. Step 4. Tap Glass at the bottom of this menu. Tap outside of that menu and then tap Done. The clock on your iPhone or iPad lock screen will be displayed in liquid glass going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.